Today I'm going to make a really neat Italian meal. I'm using chicken breasts, garlic bread, canola oil. We cook it in a chicken broth, spinach, tomato, salt, pepper. We are using Italian seasoning and basil as well as some garlic. And it's going to be a really good meal. Now, if you want to see the whole show, all you have to do is click on the end card, and this is show number 313. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner, and if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.